What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making my lime and white chocolate cheesecake. It is a New York style cheesecake, so there is no base. That just means that it's baked in the oven, there is no bottom crust, and it kind of souffles over with a nice browned, round exterior. It shouldn't take you any more than about 40 minutes to make this, and it will serve about 8 people. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can see all of our new recipes. Let's get started. So just gonna dump that into the bowl. About a cup of sugar. If you want this a little bit sweet, you can add a little bit more sugar, maybe a cup and 1/4. Or if you want to tone down the sweetness, you can take away to about 3/4 of a cup. Whisk, 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 whisk. And lightly scramble them. Mix a little bit of time. Make sure that it evenly dishes. Some of your greasy stuff. Sorry. Beautiful. And start slow. Then mix. Mix. Beautiful. That's about what we want after we add the eggs. Now we're going to add a little bit of flour. It's about 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to mix that, get all the lumps out slowly, and then speed up. This is a lime and white chocolate cake. So we're going to make this fragrant with the zest of a lemon. You're going to want a little bit of lemon juice to add to that. Just a little bit, not a lot. Too much of this will water down our cheesecake and it won't set right. Mix that in. It smells fragrant. Add your chocolate and mix. Now you don't want too much chocolate in there. You don't want the chocolate to weigh down your cheesecake. So that's about enough. That's about where I want it. What we're gonna do is pour in our mixture into our cake pan. Place it down, and we're just gonna tap, tap. That'll get rid of any air pocket that we have. We're gonna throw it into our oven at 350 degrees. Now let that sit in the oven for about 35 minutes. Once it's golden brown and it's risen up, we're gonna go ahead and take it out, and then you'll be finished. So as soon as that's done, I'm gonna pull that out. Look at that. And now we lift it. Look at that. Beautiful. We're just gonna take a little bit of this lime and sprinkle it over the top. Get that last little bit of lime flavor into your cheesecake.